Today, let's explore more of what Tokyo has got to offer. Let's roam more in the Asakusa, including the covered Asakusa Shin Nakamise Shopping Street, and check out the Asahi Breweries headquarters building. So stay tuned only on the Epic Travel Adventures. A few minutes down the busy Nakamise Shopping Street, you will see covered Asakusa Shin Nakamise Shopping Street perpendicular to it. Here you will find restaurants, clothing stores, souvenir shops, and more. These little dogs are the famous Japanese Shiba Inu. They're always very cute and full of energy. Even when they're old, they look young.
What's his name? Onamae wa?
Mame Shiba.
Mame Shiba?
Kawaii.
Oh wow. What is this? Oh wow. It's real?
Yeah, it's real.
Oh wow.
There's another one here.
This is one of the many animal cafes in Japan. At this one in particular, you can find owls, schnauzers, hedgehogs, otters, prairie dogs, and Meer rats. Here you can pet them. In Japan and especially in Tokyo, you'll find many of these Gachapon or the Gashapon machines where you can buy a variety of capsule toys for a few hundred yen. Another animal cafe. Asakusa is located on the northeast side of the central Tokyo in the Taito ward on the banks of the Sumida River. Asakusa is a district in Tokyo and in the area called Shitamachi, or a low city, referring to its low elevation of Tokyo.
You can pay money and you can store stuff. You got different size lockers.
At these convenient lockers, you can store your stuff for a small fee for up to 3 days until they get cleared by the staff.
Muraena.
This is very dangerous, very strong. They live in a place like this. If people die and get close, they just go grab and get them and kill. It's very dangerous.
Muraena is a dangerous species of eels that would attack humans if approached.
Here comes another one. Oh, look at the eye. Look at the eye. And they're kissing.
Why it says don't touch him?
It says don't knock on the window.
Wow. Look, they're making out.
They're cuddling.
They're cuddling. Look, what about this fish here? They don't eat that fish? I guess
Not yet. It's dinner, but not yet.
no.
This is the Sensōji Chingodō Buddhist Temple, known as the Otanuki-Sama or the Raccoon-Dog, which is perceived as a god of art of public entertainment. In addition, this god protects the people from fires and robberies. A little Chozuya pool basin where you can clean and purify yourself prior to prayers. The Kaminarimon or the Thunder Gate leading to the Sensōji Temple. Heading east, the tower in the distance is the Tokyo Skytree, which is the tallest structure in Japan and the tallest tower in the world, standing at 2,080 feet or 634 meters. To the right of it, the building with the golden blob is the Japanese Asahi Beer Headquarters. On this beautiful Sumida River, you can ride a ferry, catch a glimpse of a sunset, or just walk along the promenade. Next, let's fly to the USA and explore a beautiful state of New Jersey, specifically the city of Wildwood Crest. So join me only on the Epic Travel Adventures.
And if you want to see more awesome videos, then make sure to follow, subscribe, like, and of course hit that bell down below so that you do not miss any of my new content. See you in my next video.